problem. Under the transformation W equal to 1 by Z, find the image of mod Z minus 2i equal to 2. Here the transformation W equal to 1 by Z. We already proved x equal to u by u square plus v square and y equal to minus v by u square plus v square. Okay. Then find the image of mod z minus 2y. So in equal to 2. In the z plane, mod z minus 2y equal to. What is this equation? This is mod z minus 2y equal to 2. We know that z equal to x plus iy. So we write x plus iy minus 2y modulus of x plus iy minus 2y equal to 2. Okay. That is modulus x. Here iy minus 2y. So plus I into y minus 2. That is modulus of x plus I y minus 2 equal to 2. Here x is the real part. Y minus 2 is the imaginary part. Isn't? We know that mod x plus iy equal to square root of real part square plus imaginary part square. That is modulus of a complex number is square root of real part square plus imaginary part square. So here the real part is x. The imaginary part is y minus 2. So square root of x square plus y minus 2 whole square. This is equal to 2. Okay. Modulus of a complex number is square root of real part square plus imaginary part square. Listen, this is square root of x square plus this is a minus b whole square. What is a minus b whole square? A square minus 2ab plus b square. So y square minus 2ab, 2 into y into 2 plus b square, that is 2 square equal to 2. That is square root of x square plus y square minus 4y plus 4 equal to 2. So we squaring this equation, squaring this equation, that is, listen, squaring means left side square root of x square plus y square minus 4y plus 4 whole square. Root square means the function itself, that is x square plus y square minus 4y plus 4 equal to right side square is 2 square, which is 4. Listen, this is square root of x square plus y square minus 4y plus 4. The root square means a number itself. That number itself. That is x square plus y square minus 4y plus 4. That is equal to right side square. That's 4. So here 4, here 4. So we get x square plus y square minus 4y equal to 0 is the equation in the Z. First we find the equation in the Z plane. Here we get the form of modulus. Mod Z minus 2y equal to 2. Then we simplify. We get this is the image. This is the equation in the Z plane. Then we substitute, isn't we get x square plus y square minus 4y equal to 0. Then what is the image in the W plane? We substitute x and y in this equation. This is x square. Here x is u by u square plus v square. So u by u square plus v square the whole square. This is x square plus y square. Y square means minus v by u square plus v square the whole square minus 4 into y. Y is minus v by u square plus v square equal to 0. Okay, this is a by b whole square. That is a square by b square. Here u square by u square plus b square the whole square. Okay, plus minus v square is b square by u square plus b square the whole square. Okay, minus minus plus 4v by u square plus b square whole, not whole square. This is u square plus b square. So we multiply by u square plus b square by u square plus b square. So we get the denominator is u square plus b square the whole square. So all the denominators are same. Here u square plus b square whole square. Here u square plus b square whole square. Here again u square plus b square whole square. That is u square plus b square plus 4v into u square plus b square all divided by same denominator. So we write one time u square plus b square the whole square equal to 0. So this is, take this u square plus v square whole square to the right side. We get u square plus v square plus 4v into u square plus v square equal to 0. Listen, this is u square plus v square. Here again one more u square plus v square. So we take it into outside. So we take u square plus v square into, listen, here we take u square plus v square. The balance 1. So 1 plus, here we take u square plus v square. The remaining term is 4v. So here 4v equal to 0. Listen, u square plus v square into 1 plus 4v equal to 0. That is a into b equal to 0. What is a into b equal to 0? Either a equal to 0 or b equal to 0 or both are 0. Here, if this is 0, u square plus v square is 0 means, listen, here x equal to u by u square plus v square. Y equal to minus v by u square plus v square. If this u square plus v square is 0 means the denominators of x and y are 0. The denominator of a fraction is not 0 in mathematics. Denominator is 0 is not possible in mathematics. So only one condition is 1 plus 4v equal to 0. It's not possible. So 1 plus 4v equal to 0. This represents a straight line. Straight line. That is mod z minus 2y equal to 2 is transformed into a straight line in the WP.